Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started. Web development is the process of creating and maintaining websites and web applications. It involves a combination of programming, design, and content management to build functional and visually appealing online experiences. Web developers use various technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create the structure, layout, and interactivity of a website. Back-end development involves working with server-side languages like PHP, Python, or Ruby to handle data and application logic. Additionally, databases are utilized to store and retrieve information. Front-end development focuses on the user interface and user experience, ensuring that the website is responsive and optimized for various devices and browsers. Web development is an ever-evolving field, and developers must keep up with the latest trends and technologies to create efficient and user-friendly web experiences. In conclusion, web development is the art and science of building websites and web applications that combine technical expertise with creativity to deliver engaging online content and functionalities. It encompasses both back-end and front-end development, utilizing a range of programming languages and tools to ensure websites are interactive, secure, and visually appealing. With the continuous growth of the internet and the increasing demand for innovative digital experiences, web development remains a vital and dynamic discipline in the modern technological landscape. Making money from remote web development services can be a rewarding venture if you approach it strategically. Here are some steps to help you succeed in monetizing your web development skills remotely. Build a strong portfolio. Showcase your expertise by creating a portfolio website that highlights your past projects, technical skills, and achievements. Potential clients will want to see examples of your work before hiring you, so ensure your portfolio demonstrates your capabilities. Freelancing platforms and job boards. Join reputable freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or TopTal, where you can find web development projects posted by clients from around the world. Create a compelling profile, bid on relevant projects, and deliver high-quality work to build a reputation and attract more clients. Networking and referrals. Leverage your existing network to find remote web development opportunities. Let friends, family, and colleagues know about your services, and ask for referrals from satisfied clients. Word-of-mouth recommendations can be a powerful way to get new projects. Specialize and differentiate. Consider specializing in a particular niche or technology within web development, such as e-commerce, WordPress, or mobile web applications. By focusing on a specific area, you can stand out from the competition and attract clients with targeted needs. Create and sell digital products. Develop and sell digital products related to web development, such as website templates, WordPress themes, or plugins. Online marketplaces like ThemeForest or CodeCanyon can be excellent platforms to reach potential customers. Offer maintenance and support services. Many clients are looking for ongoing support and maintenance for their websites. Offer retainer packages or support plans to keep their websites up to date and secure, providing you with steady income. Content marketing and blogging. Establish yourself as an authority in the web development industry by creating valuable content through blogs, tutorials, or YouTube videos. This can help you attract clients organically and build trust with your audience. Remote web development agencies. Consider joining or starting a remote web development agency. Collaborating with other skilled developers can lead to larger projects and a more extensive client base. Attend virtual events and conferences. Participate in web development webinars, online conferences, and networking events. These events can help you connect with potential clients, stay updated on industry trends, and expand your professional network. Provide excellent customer service. Satisfied clients are more likely to recommend you to others or hire you for future projects. Always prioritize clear communication, meet deadlines, and go the extra mile to ensure client satisfaction. Remember, building a successful remote web development business takes time and dedication. Stay persistent, continually improve your skills, and deliver top-notch results to thrive in the competitive market of remote web development services. And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.